and Happy New Year! Welcome to 2023 Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge Week 1. Okay, the prompts for this week: any kind of transportation, a library card, a zoo animal, your handwriting, stained paper, and the bonus is a sticker. So I've got a few things here. I've got some stamped tissue, bit of coffee dyed paper, got a piece of kitchen towel that I was drying some tea bags out on, a couple of different transportations. I've got a steam train, and then I've got this old picture of a cave painting or wall painting of a chariot. Got a digital library card. I have a zebra. This was printed onto a piece of acetate, and then I sprayed it with water and pressed it onto a piece of blue paper, and I think it's got some ink spots on it. I don't know, I've had it sitting in my collection waiting to use it for ages. Stickers, got a couple of them should I decide to use the bonus. So I'm just going to crack on and get something done. I'm just using the spiral bound, it's just a kid's art journal, I guess you'd call it. It's from Kmart. It's really cheap, it was only $5 or something like that. And I like it because it's got the ring binder, like the rings on the side, so it'll sit flat while I'm working in it. Alright, enough talking, I'm going to just do something. So I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas celebration, if you celebrate Christmas, and that your new year is going to be off to a good start. So I've finished off 22 with a bang. I had a big fall on the day after Boxing Day. I was bringing in the rubbish bins, and we have a brick that we have on the ground near the bins to hold the gate open. And when I walked in, I stood on it, and because I had the wheelie bin in my hand, like I was pushing it, when I stumbled, of course the bin's just gone out from under me and pulled me to the ground, and I've black and blue all over, I can tell you. I landed on top of some pot plants, so no broken bones. I thought I might have broken something because it hurt so much I couldn't move to start with. I just lay on the ground for a while. I was home by myself, but anyway, I'm all good now. I'm still got a few bruises. I got a bit of a bruise on, this is that arm actually, where is it? You should see the bruise on my bum. That arm landed on the lid of, like I sort of fell into the lid of the rubbish bin as well, so it was pretty dramatic. Put on a good show. Luckily nobody saw me, or maybe it would have been better if someone had seen me. Who would know? So I'm just going to tear this library card up a bit and then ink it.
I can feel all the fire rising.
going to dry that now. So that's gathered twigs, distress oxide spray. I'm going to use a bit of this paper towel in the background, and decided that I'm going to make my zebra my focal point, so all this other stuff doesn't have to be so big and dominating as it was before. Yeah, I think I'll do something like that. I'd like to add a little bit more stain onto that. I'll just use a bit more of this and drop it on there.
Brand new street and brand new me, side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. Couple days ago, hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. Saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow. Already know, now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
Just going to put some splashes of gold paint or something shiny on there. I've written welcome to week 1 2023 on that piece of paper, and over here I've written animals do not belong in zoos. Okay, let's go with the blue. It's just soaking straight into that paper towel, so I'm not going to put any more over there. Now I've got that left, I think I'll just splodge it there, smush it. Okay, I'm going to call that done. So week 1 of Margarete Miller's challenge for 2023. And the prompts have disappeared. They're here somewhere on my desk. Where are they? Here we go. So we've got any kind of transportation, which is my train. I've torn up a library card. My zoo animal is the zebra, which should never be in the zoo. My handwriting is there and there. My stained paper is paper towel. And the bonus was a sticker, which I popped in the back there. And then I've used that rub-on sticker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I'd love it if you could leave me a comment. Feel free to subscribe to my channel because it doesn't cost you anything. And I look forward to seeing you next week for week 2. Don't forget I'm also doing Junk Journal January, so check out my videos for that. I've made some awesome fabric, grungy fabric, so I've got a video up that shows you how to do that as well. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video. So cheers from Australia. Hooroo!